What's up, guys? So today we're going to be reviewing these Kimimoto universal dirt bike pegs. As you can see, I'm on the KTM 2022 KTM 250 XCW 2-stroke, and there are no passenger pegs. Today we're going to focus on these foot pegs. So I want to be able to have my girlfriend ride around without sharing a foot peg. So let's go ahead and check these things out. Just got it in the mail here. Check out the packaging together. Looks like they're each individually wrapped. So nice. Comes with an Allen key, also nice, and instructions. We'll check out the quality together. A little bit of scratches and stuff. I do not care, guys. I'm just showing you like kind of where it comes. Of course they're gonna get scratched up on the bike. They actually kind of look pretty nice. These are pretty nice. You can see they're 7.5 inches long. Well, that's where you're gonna be actually able to put your foot. The passenger's gonna be able to put their foot. 7.5 inches long. The whole thing is probably another inch longer. But this right here is where my foot's going, right? So the passenger foot really is only, honestly, probably only starting from about here. So you get about 6 inches. But yeah, overall, they seem nice off the bike. So let's go ahead and throw them on the 250 here and see how she looks. All right, so you just simply take this Allen key, loosen this out, and it allows the peg to extend, see? So you want to try to get this notch right in between your pegs. Now back here on this back section, it's not really grooved. It is slightly right here. So honestly, it's probably not going to fit between the peg, which kind of sucks. So it's going to round down your passenger peg if it doesn't fit in here, and also won't be as a tight fit. See, because it's between, the rear's between those pegs. Right, so it's gonna allow it to do this number. So we'll review it. It kind of twisted there. All right, so there's that side. Same thing with this side. This is the view kind of from the back of the bike and above it. Right. So, I guess the only thing left to do now is to get on the bike with the girlfriend and see how she goes. So let me go get her and see if she's up to it. Now, just put your foot on them, right? Try not to like get up on the bike onto it. Alright, now let me get on. I probably should have got on first. Okay, you can get on now. Okay, I'm back after taking that test ride with her. Here's my opinion. My opinion is, yeah, it's awesome for like a temporary or ride around the field or ride out to the grocery store type of thing. Is it something that I would want to like leave on my bike permanently? No. Or like when I'm riding through the fields by myself, I'll be taking them off. You know, you wouldn't want to leave these on and be riding aggressive. Like, you want these off if you're not just riding around the field or something, or just to the grocery store. So Are they worth 80 bucks? Absolutely. They are worth $80. I hope you enjoyed this review. To give you another like close-up on it. That's what it looks like. So there it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the view. Check out some of my other videos if you enjoyed this one. See ya.